What if your entire manufacturing operation, purchasing, warehouse, shop floor, quality, and IoT, lived in one single platform? One that works on any device. No app store, no installation. Just open a browser and go. This is the Evolve Automation Platform, a progressive web app built for modern manufacturing, powered by Aliter Business Solutions. The moment you log in, everything is at your fingertips. From the home screen, access any module: WMS, Smart Factory, Quality Management, CRM, IoT, and more. Each module is purpose-built for a specific function, but all connected on a single unified platform. Notice the company selector at the top? Evolve supports multi-company, multi-site operations from one login. And that bottom navigation bar? That's your constant companion, always accessible, no matter how deep you go in the platform. Let's start with warehouse management. Inside WMS, you have complete control over your procurement and supply chain right from your phone or desktop. Purchase requisitions are raised and tracked here in real time. Each record shows its approval status, requester, and timeline, so nothing slips through the cracks. Once approved, purchase orders are generated and released, with quantities, currency, and supplier details captured at every step. Every vendor entry into your facility is logged here. Gate operations. Who came in, which gate, from which vendor, and exactly when. Fully time-stamped, fully auditable. Once materials arrive, goods receipts are captured instantly. Status: GRN confirmed, meaning inward movement is recorded, verified, and linked back to the purchase order. Subcontract shipments are tracked here. Outward goods sent to sub-vendors with full visibility on status and quantities. Returnable gate passes, issued when you send materials out temporarily. Track which challenges are still out, which have been received back. Complete inbound-outbound control. From the shop floor, workers raise material requests directly from the app, specifying item, quantity, and urgency. Confirmed and closed requests are tracked in separate views for full lifecycle visibility. The task list drives warehouse operations on the ground. Workers see exactly what needs to be put away: item, location, lot, quantity, and can perform or close tasks with one tap. No paper, no clipboard. Now let's go to the heart of your factory. Smart Factory. This is where machine intelligence meets operations. The machine. OEE dashboard gives you a live view of every work center on your floor. Plating, machining, cutting. Every machine, every shift at a glance. Each card shows your OEE percentage, your target, units produced, and a real-time production trend. Green dot means the machine is live and connected. Drill into any machine for a full OEE breakdown. Availability, performance, quality, the three pillars of OEE, plus hourly production charts so you can track shifts in real time, hour by hour. This is Industry 4.0 in action. Not just data collection, but actionable visibility right on your phone. Evolve is designed for real-world use, including long shifts on the factory floor. That's why we've built in a full dark mode. One tap, and the entire platform switches to a dark, eye-friendly interface. Perfect for night shifts, low-light environments, or simply personal preference. Every screen, every module, every chart adapts. Light to dark, dark to light, seamlessly. Evolve is a true progressive web app, which means it works beautifully on any device without downloading anything from any app store. On mobile, the interface is compact, touch-optimized, and fast. Swipe, tap, done. On tablet, you get more space. Sidebars and detail views open together. On desktop, you have the full enterprise experience. One URL, one login, every device. That's the power of a PWA. No matter where you are in the platform, navigation is always just one tap away. The bottom bar gives you instant access to home, your documents, a global search, and the full module grid. The search is context-aware. Type any module name or transaction and jump directly to it. No hunting through menus. Here's what makes Evolve different. PWA technology runs on any device. No app store, no installation needed. Real-time, OEE live machine data, availability, performance, quality per shift. End-to-end WMS purchase, indent to PO to gate, entry to GRN to put away, fully connected. Smart loading UX skeleton loaders for fast perceived performance. Dark and light mode adapts to every work environment. Mobile first design, bottom navigation, touch-friendly cards, FAB create buttons. Multi-company support manage multiple sites and companies from one login. Status visibility color-coded statuses, approved, released, confirmed, closed. IoT integration connect machines directly. Live signal, zero lag. Modular architecture deploy only what you need. WMS, Smart Factory, CRM, IoT, and more. Evolve Automation Platform. Built for the factory floor, designed for the future. Whether you're managing your warehouse, tracking OEE on the shop floor, or controlling supplier movements from your phone, Evolve brings it all together. Ready to see what Evolve can do for your plant? Visit evolveconnect.com or get in touch with Aliter Business Solutions today.